Hello, this is Ed Burke with PlaceForTraders.com for Monday, June 15th, starting off in the September Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Friday of 941.5. Above 941.5 in the September Mini S&P was considered bullish for Friday. Below 941.5 was considered bearish. I had the first line of support down at 930.25. Now, these are 15-minute bars. This is where the regular trading session opened. You can see we're in a bearish mode. Below the pivot level within the first 45 minutes, we came within 1 point of that first level of support. That low was 931.25. The first line of support was 930.25. You can see the market bounced off that level. Friday was a strange day. We had a very small range. The market didn't do much. We had just barely over a 10-point range on Friday. Also, the New York Stock Exchange had computer problems with their servers. I didn't send messages out all morning. Late in the afternoon, I did send a message out. I go, maybe the market might make a move to the downside. All week, any rallies, the market couldn't sustain any rallies all week, and plus on Friday we were trading on the bearish side of that pivot level. I was wrong. The market went a little bit higher, basically bouncing off that pivot level. The pivot level acted as a resistance. You can see a number of times it kept going to the pivot level, just barely above. The high of the day was only 1 1/4 points above the pivot level. We had one sell-off. The market went back down to 937, but ultimately closed at 940.75. But like I said, I mean, even all this, there wasn't much of a range on Friday at all. For Monday, I'm looking at the pivot level, 938.75. The market closed on Friday at 940.75. We need to stay above 938.75 in the September Mini S&P for a bullish market on Monday. Below 938.75 is considered a bearish market. I have the first line of resistance up at 946 even. The second line of resistance, 949.75. For support, I'm looking at the first level of support, 934 even. The second level of support down at 927.5. Also have some weekly numbers. Weekly pivot, 934 even. So the market needs to stay above 934 in the Sep Mini S&P for a bullish market. Below 934 is bearish. I have the first line of weekly resistance, 955.25. The second line of weekly resistance up at 974.75. For support, first level of weekly support, 914.75. The second level of weekly support down at 893.5. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on there and sign up for the free alerts. Thanks a lot and good trading.